Hi friends, welcome to Neema's Tips and Tricks. Today's recipe is a sweet and sour lemon and dates pickle. The sweetness from the dates and the sourness of the lemon makes this pickle very yummy. This pickle is served in most of the Kerala restaurants either with biryanis or rice, and it's a must-try combination. To make this lemon and dates pickle, you need to follow these ingredients. Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons. If you need the pickle more hot, then add 1 tablespoon of extra chili powder. Asafoetida, 1.5 tablespoon. Oil, 1/4 cup. Vinegar, 1/4 cup. Yellow mustard, 1.5 tablespoon. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Roasted fenugreek powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Sugar, 1.5 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Chopped garlic, 15. Chopped ginger, medium size piece. Chopped green chilli, 2. Curry leaves, few. Deseeded dates, 20. Lemon pieces which has been salted and kept for about 25 days. Here I have taken 10 lemons which has been washed and dried completely. You have to ensure that there is no moisture in it. Now let's cut these lemons, add salt to it and preserve it for about 20 to 25 days, after which we will be making this pickle. By doing so, our pickle will taste yummy. Next, let's cut these lemons and deseed them. Now, I've sliced this into 4 pieces. Slice it again. First into 2, then again into 2 more, like this. Same way, we shall cut the rest of the lemons. Into these, let's add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. 1, 2, and 3. Mix it very well. Further, let's transfer these salted lemons into a glass bottle like this and store it. It will be very good if you could shake this bottle daily. After about 20 to 25 days, the lemon will be soft and we can see water too in the bottle. Now keep this aside and I am going to use the lemon which I had already preserved. Let's pour oil into this wok and when it's hot, add yellow mustard, curry leaves, also add in chopped garlic, ginger and green chilli. Stir it till the raw smell is gone. Now the color of our garlic and ginger has changed. So let's reduce the flame and add spices, turmeric, fenugreek powder, asafoetida and red chili powder. Stir till all the raw smell of spices are gone. Ensure to keep the flame very low to avoid burning of red chili powder. Next is to add in our preserved lemons along with dates. Combine well. Further, add vinegar, sugar and combine again. Allow it to boil and turn off the flame. It's boiling now, so it's time now to turn off. Allow it to cool and transfer to a glass bottle. I have transferred the pickle into this clean bottle. Now, for more flavor, you can keep this for 1 or 2 weeks and then use it. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you.